Hello friends, welcome back to a new video on AB coins. The Elizabeth II $1 coin from 1998 is a significant piece in numismatic history. It belongs to the series of coins issued by the Royal Canadian Mint, which features Queen Elizabeth II on its obverse. Let's dive into the history and geography behind the 1998 $1 coin. Background: the Elizabeth II $1 coin, also known as the Loonie, because of the loon depicted on one of its sides, was first introduced in 1987 by Canada as a replacement for the $1 banknote. Prior to this change, Canada had been using paper currency for $1 bills. The decision to introduce a coin instead of a banknote was driven by practical reasons, particularly durability. Coins tend to last longer and resist where compared to paper currency. Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse. The obverse of the 1998 $1 coin, like other coins in this series, features an effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. Designed by renowned Canadian artist Susanna Blunt, the portrait of the Queen was first introduced on Canadian coinage in 2003 but replaced a previously existing portrait used since 1953. The 1998 coin carries the effigy of the Queen as it appeared in earlier series and was part of the ongoing commitment of Canada to recognize the British monarchy. The Loonie design. The reverse side of the coin features the image of a loon, a bird native to Canada. The design by artist Robert R. Meikle has become iconic. The loon is a significant animal in Canadian culture, especially in the northern wilderness, and its depiction on the coin is a symbol of the country's rich natural heritage. The coin itself weighs 7.0 grams and has a 26.5 mm diameter. Initially, the Loonie was struck in a bronze-plated nickel composition. 1998 Special Edition. In 1998, the $1 coin saw various changes. In particular, this year marked the inclusion of special edition designs in circulation for certain years, like commemorative issues marking Canada's historical events or specific themes related to Canadian identity. While there wasn't an official commemorative release for the Loonie in 1998, this coin would be part of a broader effort to maintain public interest in Canadian coinage through continual reinvention and adaptation. Canada's geography plays an integral role in the symbolism of its coins, particularly the $1 Loonie coin. The coin embodies key geographical features of the country, such as its natural wilderness and wildlife, which include the loon. Canada's vast landscape. Canada is the second largest country in the world by land area, spanning 9.98 million square kilometers, about 3.85 million square miles. From the Pacific coast in the west to the Atlantic coast in the east, and from the Arctic Circle in the north to the U.S. border in the south, the country features some of the most diverse and striking landscapes globally. The loon. The loon is a water bird commonly found in the northern lakes and wilderness areas of Canada, making it the perfect symbol for a country rich in lakes and forests. The loon is also notable for its hauntingly beautiful call, which resonates across Canada's remote northern areas. The bird is typically associated with Canada's northern territories, including places like the Yukon, Northwest Territories, and Nunavut, which are known for their rugged, untamed beauty. The image of the loon on the $1 coin perfectly captures Canada's rugged natural beauty, from the towering forests to the icy lakes of the north. This geographic connection makes the coin not just a form of currency, but a reflection of Canada's landscape and the deep connection the people of Canada have with their environment. Canadian symbolism. Canada has an ongoing tradition of integrating its natural history and symbols of national pride into its coinage. The Royal Canadian Mint, headquartered in Ottawa, Ontario, is the organization responsible for the design and production of Canada's coins. The Mint draws inspiration from both the historical influences of the British Commonwealth and the uniquely Canadian elements that make up the country's identity. The 1998 $1 coin was made of a multi-ply plated steel, rather than the earlier bronze-plated nickel used in the Loonie's early years. The Royal Canadian Mint struck the coin with high-tech equipment designed to produce coins of superior quality and durability. This change in materials aimed at reducing costs and improving the long-term sustainability of coinage. Significance in Canadian economy. While the coin itself might seem like a small part of Canada's currency system, it carries significant weight in the national economy. The introduction of the $1 coin helped to increase efficiency in the currency system, reduce production costs, as coins last longer than paper notes, promote national pride, with the Loonie serving as a constant reminder of Canada's beautiful and expansive wilderness. The 1998 $1 coin remains a significant example of Canada's numismatic history, combining the country's rich heritage with cutting-edge technology in coin production. The loonie continues to circulate and serve as a symbol of Canadian identity. The Elizabeth II $1 coin of 1998 reflects both historical and geographical elements that are intrinsic to Canada's identity. Featuring an image of Queen Elizabeth II on one side and the loon on the reverse, it speaks volumes about Canada's heritage, geography, and ongoing relationship with the British monarchy. Through its design, material composition, and symbolic representation, the 1998 coin remains an essential part of Canada's currency and national pride.